Hi there. Quick question. How much time and money do you spend creating video ads for your business? Imagine cutting that by 80%. With Creatify's cool new AI video ads tool, you can convert product pages directly into stunning Twitter video ads in less than 5 minutes. Whether you're a small business owner, an entrepreneur, or a professional marketer, this tool can save you hours of work. It also generates endless ad variants you can test. Ready to get started? Let's go. To begin, head to Creatify AI's website and create a free account. The process is simple. Just enter your email and you're ready to go. Once logged in, select Create on the left-hand panel, then click the AI Video Ads tool to get started. Now this is where the magic starts. Grab the URL of the product page you want to promote from any website, Shopify storefront, or marketplace like Amazon or Walmart. Paste the URL into the field and click Analyze URL. In seconds, Creatify's AI will extract your product description, pricing, and media assets, including images or videos. Once the AI has analyzed your page, you'll need to review the extracted content, including images, video clips, product descriptions, and more. Review this information carefully and correct any mistakes you see by editing directly in the tool. When creating ads, make sure you also add a price, your logo, and a call to action. Now it's time to configure your video ad. Start by choosing the aspect ratio for your video. For Twitter X, 16:9 works best. Next, select the video length. 15 or 30 seconds is perfect. Then, select the language for your ad and describe your target audience. The more detail you provide about your audience, the better your ad will be. Finally, press Generate to move to the next step, script selection. Creatify's script generation tool will generate multiple scripts suited for different marketing objectives and audiences. Review the scripts and pick the one that best aligns with your brand voice and target audience. Want something more tailored? You can edit the script directly or insert your own. With your script ready, it's now time to select an avatar to serve as your product spokesperson. Creatify provides over 140 different avatars and voices to choose from. Pay close attention to how the voice and mannerisms might reflect on your brand. While you can always change the avatar later, you'll probably want to settle on one or two for your brand to create more consistency in your messaging. Next, it's time to select a video template to generate your ad. Creatify offers up to 15 different templates to choose from, including green screen, indoor, and outdoor scenarios. Preview the options to pick the best for your campaign. If you'd like to generate more ad variants for testing, then select multiple templates. Next, click Edit on your preferred template to finalize your Twitter video ad. Before you finalize, preview your video. Creatify's excellent video editor makes it easy to change voiceovers, avatars, media, animations, call to action, and captions. Watch the video from start to finish to look for any errors or elements that need tweaking. You can adjust the timing of captions, swap out visuals, or modify the voiceover tone. Make sure everything looks polished before moving on, because credits are consumed only when you render your video ad. When everything is just right, it's time to render your video. Click Render, and Creatify will process your video in high quality. Once it's ready, download the file directly to your device. You can now upload it to Twitter X and every other platform you're advertising or marketing on. And we're done! Ready to take your Twitter ad creation to the next level? Click the link in the description below to try Creatify's AI Video Ads tool today. Start with a free account and see how fast and easy it is to create amazing video ads.